Hey everybody, this is Jamila Shields. Welcome back to my channel, The Newbie Marketer. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications when I post more videos, which will be just about every day now. So today we're going to do an overview of the Easy1up financing program. And if you're not familiar with Easy1up, what it is a marketing training platform which teaches from beginners to mastermind marketers how to properly promote their businesses on social media platforms and some offline marketing also. We do have different levels for Easy1up. The $25 level is the elevation level. The $100 level is the elevation elite level. The $250 level, the Vertex level. $500, the Vertex Elite. The Vertex Pro is $1,000, and the Vertex Live is $2,000. Now, you can join at whatever level you choose. Now, when you join at the levels from Elevation to Vertex Elite, you will get awesome training. You will get very knowledgeable on what to do in the market, in the online market. Yet, position yourself at a higher level to learn more and earn more. Easy1up is 100% commission affiliate program. So, if you have someone coming in at the $25 level, you will get the $25 commission 100% from that person. All the person has to do is pay the $5 administration fee, which is not much at all. Now, that is definitely for a beginner. There are basic videos in there. I had a video earlier about that a few weeks ago when I was talking about Easy1up. You can go over that video down in my feed if you would like. But we have the $25 level, which is basic. Each level gets a little higher and a little more involved, a little more in depth when it comes to your education level, your training level. Now, there is something special about the Vertex Pro and the Vertex Live. Not only are you going to receive awesome training through the Easy1up platform, but you can get an awesome bonus. Lately, I've been getting questions about what am I doing? What are you doing over there online? And people want to know about this hot YouTube training that I've been in. It's the Inner Circle group with Josh Elder, and you will get that bonus training at the level of $1,000 or $2,000 Vertex Pro. Now, you are going to position yourself at a higher level to earn higher commissions, and you're also going to get the bonus hot YouTube training and Facebook training, and you're going to learn how to set up websites. You're going to learn how to set up all of your information on a whole nother level. It's so in-depth. It's so awesome. I love the Inner Circle group, learning a lot. And I'm here to teach you some too, but why always listen to me? Learn for yourself, right? Yes, we don't teach you. We're not going to spoon feed you, but we're going to teach you how to fish and get it for yourself. Now, if you would like to join at the $1,000 or $2,000 level, Easy1up has a financing program for you. Now, we know that the $1,000 level, you will have to come in at $1,000. But with the financing program, you will only have to pay $350 down to start. That's $250 for the program and $100 administration fee to Easy1up. So you will still have access to the bonus trainings that they're offered with Josh Elder, and you will still be able to access your commissions of $1,000. Only thing is, you would still have to pay off the $1,000 in a 10-month span of time. So what happens, you pay the $250 and then you'll have $750 left over. You can pay $75 a month, which is not bad for what you're going to get for this offer. Excuse me. And you can actually add more money to it, and you don't get penalized for adding more or paying it off faster. But you want to get ahead of the game. You want to be positioned where you can earn and learn at the same time. So if you are interested in this, just let me know. I will give you more information. I'll put the link for Easy1up in the description at the bottom if you would like to sign up at any level, because sometimes you cannot, you just don't have it yet, and you want to get started somewhere. So I'm fine with that too. But we do have financing for the Vertex Pro and the Vertex Live levels. Right now, I'm currently at Vertex Pro level, and I'm ready. I'm almost ready to elevate to the Vertex Live, which is more of a business, the business part, the really business mastermind sessions, and Easy1up. But you will graduate to that level, but you have to start somewhere. So I just want to do this overview because some people didn't know about the financing, and they're like, oh, I don't have $1,000 to pay right now. And I was the same way. I'm like, hold on, I'm just starting off. I don't have it. But thank God for the financing program. We're all able to jump in and make it, okay? So we all can win and make it to the top together. So again, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for any more notifications that I will be putting out. Don't forget, Easy1up has a great financing program for people who want to jump in, get started, and go all in and go for what you know. I want you to have an awesome day. See you later. Till next time, this is Jamila. Bye-bye.